A quarter-cent tax is ruffling feathers.
One of the issues on the ballot in next month's Albuquerque election is whether to renew the quarter-cent gross receipts tax for transportation. We have been paying that tax for the last 10 years. If voters do not approve the renewal, the tax will automatically end. But if they do approve the renewal, the ballot language has no future expiration date. News 13's Caitlin McCarthy has more.
Voters first approved the transportation tax in 2000. It generates about $36 million a year that's used for roads, bikeways, trails, and transit systems. City Council President Isaac Benton says if voters say yes to renewing the quarter-cent tax, the council will adopt an ordinance that does put a 10-year expiration date on the tax. Greg Payne is the director of ABQ Ride. He says the tax has allowed the city to expand its bus system.
It provides something like 25% of our operating budget. If we don't have the quarter-cent program, we do have to scale back services because, unlike Washington, D.C., we actually have to pay as we go. If we don't have the money, we can't provide the service.
Paul Gessing of the Rio Grande Foundation opposes the tax. He says the money could be better used in the private sector. But he's especially unhappy that the ballot provision does not have an end date for the tax.
I would at least like to see a sunset clause on any ballot measure extending the tax. There's other ways, I would like to see people have that money in their pockets.
As for Benton's promise that the city council would put a 10-year expiration date on that tax extension, Gessing says he's happy to hear that, but he still doesn't support the tax. Caitlin McCarthy, KRQE News 13.
The Albuquerque election is October the 6th.